So a very dear friend of mine said that my videos were boring. So this one is for her, and hope you enjoy, Teresa. Whoop whoop, whoop whoop, whoop whoop. The flops, the flops. Whoop whoop, whoop whoop. Oh yeah. Come on. Ain't over yet. Jazz hands, jazz hands, jazz hands. Oh, the flops. I don't know how to do it. Is that better? There's a small break in the rain, so I'm gonna try to get some more work done on that rack for the scooter. Alright, let's get busy. Never do any job without your cup of coffee. Of course, the wind's going to start blowing. So what I'm doing is, this is the locking mechanism for my bike rack on the back of the scooter rack. And then this bolt here, actually I think I'm going to go this way. Maybe, maybe not. Why did I get it so long? But this bolt is going to screw in here. That's so it doesn't rattle. And shake around.
Say that again?
I said back to the drawing board. Didn't know my own strength. Just snapped it off. There it is. This is how I'm gonna get my 40-cent nut back. The bolt was only 16 cents. The nut, because it has a locking ring in it, 40 cents. Always have a fully charged spare battery on hand. Keeps work flowing better. And spare bolts in case you break one. I'll be back. I don't think I have anything that big. What are you doing, filming me?
Yeah. Alright.
I'm off to the hardware store to get washers and stuff we need for the rack. The rack we bought was not quite long enough for the scooter, so I made these extension plates here, and so it extends that out. And now I got to put another tread in there to close up that big gap, otherwise when I try to roll it up there, the wheel is just going to fall in there and not go any further. So that's where I'm at with that. Still wobbling. Like a champ. Alright, the rack is finished. Actually, it's been finished for a while, but I forgot to make an ending video showing you the final product. So let me show you. Big butterfly just flew by. Shiny objects. Let me show you what I got here. Alright, get it all in view here. So the scooter is underneath the silver thing there, and the bike rack plugs in down there. I had to do some special holes and stuff to get all that to work out. And let me lay on the ground here, and this is how I did that. Got me a little safety chain just in case. Yeah. Oh, can't forget the stabilizer. There's the stabilizer. Keeps everything from shaking around. So you have 2 points of contact instead of just where it comes out of the receiver. Yep. Of course, the extension piece there. Everything worked out really well on that. You can't see it too well, but the extra step I had to add in. I also put a piece of 1.5" aluminum angle across there to stiffen that up. But I think it's going to do great. Let's see. Let's get a further back view here. Yeah, I'm happy with it. So now, turn this around. Now it's time for a cup of coffee. Cheers.